So guys, this is the bullish move that AUDUSD has given us, right? This is the bullish move. Remember, when market was around this support level, if you have been following this channel consistently, you should be able to testify that as at the time when market was around this support level, we predicted that market will give us that bullish move to have this resistance level. Guess what market did? Market gave us the bullish move. I mean, we were doing this analysis since last week, right? Eventually, market did give us that bullish move and tap this resistance level. Now, guys, take a look at this movement right here. When you go to your 4-hour time frame, what can you see that the trend is right here on your 4-hour time frame? You can see that market is ranging with this level. So this is the push up that market came tap our resistance, then it dropped to tap our support, right? The market eventually was able to rally up to tap our resistance, and then the drop was made that came to tap our support. Market eventually rallied up to tap our resistance. Now we should be expecting market to reject from this resistance level and come back to tap our support level. So this is to tell you that in the long run, you'll be anticipating for a bearish move or the USD that will drop to tap our support level. Now, the question is, when are we going to be expecting this bearish move? It's what we can't tell now because we need to be predict what market is doing. We need to follow the trend of what market is doing. Now, what is the trend of what market is doing? This is the current trend. Although the trend is a ranging market move, this is the move right here. Ranging market move. But when you zoom it in and you see what the market is doing, currently you will see that it is trending up. So this is the high and this is the low. This can also be seen as the higher high, and here is the higher low, right? Now this can also be seen as the higher high, and now here comes the higher low. So with this higher low, you should be expecting market to do what? Push up one more time to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high. So this is to tell you that one more bullish move is most likely going to play out for the day on AUDUSD. So let's see AUDUSD give us a one more bullish move for the day. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the